Welcome back. Day 2 is all about movement. Before you can build in 3D, you need to be able to move in 3D. Rotate, zoom, pan, until it feels completely natural. By the end of today, navigating the FreeCAD viewport will feel like second nature. Open FreeCAD and create a new document. Go to File, New. Now let's put something in the scene so we have something to look at. Go to the Part workbench. We'll use it just for today. And click Part, Primitives, Box. A box appears. Perfect. Now, mouse navigation. FreeCAD uses a 3-button mouse workflow. Rotate, hold the middle mouse button and drag. The view rotates around your model. Pan, hold Shift plus the middle mouse button, then drag. This moves the camera sideways. Zoom, scroll the mouse wheel up to zoom in, down to zoom out. Practice these 3 movements right now. Rotate, pan, zoom. Keep going until it starts to feel natural. I'll wait. Good. If you don't have a middle mouse button, for example on a laptop trackpad, go to Edit, Preferences, Display, Navigation, and change the navigation style to Touchpad. That gives you alternative gestures. Now let's talk about preset views. These are huge time savers. On your keyboard's number pad, numpad 1, front view, numpad 2, rotate down, numpad 3, right side view, numpad 4, rotate left, numpad 5, toggle between perspective and orthographic projection, numpad 6, rotate right, numpad 7, top view, numpad 0, camera view. Press V, then F, or go to View, Standard Views, Fit All, to zoom the camera so your entire model is visible. This is your panic button. If you ever get lost in the viewport, press V, then F, and you're back. Try each of these now. Front view, top view, right view, fit all. One more thing. The difference between orthographic and perspective projection. Perspective view looks more natural. Objects farther away appear smaller, like real life. Orthographic view has no perspective distortion. Parallel lines stay parallel. This is the standard for engineering and technical design. Press numpad 5 to toggle between them. For most modeling work, orthographic is preferred because dimensions are easier to read. Get comfortable with both. That's day 2. Navigation mastered. Tomorrow, we go deeper, understanding workbenches, the heart of how FreeCAD is organized. See you then.